going on, everybody? It's your boy Sneak Peek with Josh, and we're back again with another video. Those of you guys that are new to the channel, you definitely want to hit that subscribe button. Also like, comment, and share. You definitely want to stay tuned to a lot of these sneaker updates, merch, a lot of different things of that sort before you purchase these things, because a lot of people are always skeptical. So that being said, watch this one. So as I said, a lot of people always want to know what a sneaker looks like before they purchase. This is definitely the vibe that I want to give you guys. Me, I felt like this sneaker was overhyped. I felt like it was a little extreme, but me personally, being that it is one of my favorite silhouettes and the different color tones, I felt like this was a heater and definitely a calm vibe, being that it was limited. So I will put a calm stamp on this one instantly. But let's get straight to this one. Oh yeah, definitely come through with another banger, another one. Jordan as always. And me personally, I felt like this box was dope. I will have a cutaway so you guys can see me fully unbox this one. Normally I don't, but this whole concept behind this box is fire. As you see on the top of this box, we do have the nice speckles all over the top. Going across, we have that nice flight, followed by that nice red Jumpman in the middle of the flight. You know, basically highlighting the letter I in flight. Most people a lot of people know that, but it's always good information to let people know. And as we lift this lid up, oh man, this is definitely fire. We have the nice infrared tone all around, and definitely got that nice tissue paper Jordan always pulls off. The tissue paper also blends in with the outside panels of the box, followed by the speckles. And when we lift this up, a nice dope pair of the Air Jordan 4 Taupe Haze. Now that we got the box out the way, we would definitely lose it and get into a lot of these fire details on this pair here. So watch this. Released in February 27th, 2021, we had the Air Jordan 4 Taupe Haze. Me, I thought it was a dope shoe in terms of color, silhouette, and being that it is a Jordan 4, a lot of people are hyped because they say it reminds them of a Travis Scott, Friends and Family, and more so of those things. Me, overall, is fire, and I will definitely put a calm stamp on this one. Me, I felt like it went in a crazy route. I will have a lot of highlights above talking about this shoe and just letting you guys see how clean this one really is. As you guys see, we do have those nice solid stars going across that toe right there at the sole, followed by that nice infrared going right under it. That nice midsole here, highlighting that nice infrared Jumpman. Basically a black sole with infrared and a little hint of color as well. But when you move on up to this sneaker, we jump into that cracked leather. It is pretty cracked, and it does have a lot of hints of metallic inside of it. Some people I have seen remove their cracked leather and turn the sneaker completely suede. I feel like that's a lot to be doing. Me, to each his own, as I say. It's crazy how hard people go for a shoe in terms of that. But a lot of people did remove this cracked panel. I wouldn't remove it. It's pretty clean, but it could have been a little different in some form. And then it follows up on this toe box, that nice suede. I've been seeing a lot of Taupe Haze 4s with these little speckles on them, on that suede panel. I've came across a few friends, maybe about 2 or 3. They also received pairs with little white speckles. I don't know where these speckles come from on there, but pretty much sucks that it's there. I'm pretty sure you can clean it, but hey, it is what it is now, but happy I have a pair. As you guys can see, going up the tongue, we have that nice classic net and that nice Taupe Haze color, and that underlayer is also in that black tone. And then as you go up the tongue, we do have those black laces. Mine is lace for on-foot purposes and also just for my regular style and on-the-go moves. And when you get to that tongue, we have that nice Jumpman. And that the tag is in that Taupe Haze colorway, followed by that Jumpman in a nice infrared. But if you do look closely, the whole tongue is basically in that Taupe Haze cracked leather. It's definitely dope, definitely a sneaker I am proud to have. It's fire. When you look on the sides, we have these little wings. I call them wings. I always called them wings since I was younger. These are in the black tone. It would have been fire if the insole would have been at least white. That would be a change I would make. Shout out to Twin Gemini. He definitely gave me an insight and said it would have been fire if this was also white down here. So leave a comment and let me know what you think. But as we spin the shoe around, and as you guys can see inside the tongue, we have that nice infrared tone once again, followed by the classic Air Jordan tag that is upside down. From my perspective, I will see it normal, but you guys would definitely see it reversed mirror wise. And we have the nice classic pull tab, as you always know, comes in handy for a lot of people that always have a hard time putting their sneakers on and pretty much tired of just wiggling their feet around. But as you get a little closer, once again, we're highlighting a lot of the details on this sneaker. A lot of people don't hit. We have that nice Taupe Haze mocha tone Jumpman in the back. It's pretty dope overall. It is a fire sneaker. That midsole alone, it's not white. It's more of a tannish color, tan tone. Pretty clean to me. But you guys leave a comment. Let me know what you guys feel about these. Did you guys feel the hype was worth it? Do you feel they really should have made this sneaker limited? Because this was a sneaker that was released to to my knowledge, I would definitely say 130,000 pairs of these went out. So if you were lucky to catch one of these, shout out to you guys. Leave comments. Let's stir up a conversation and see more of these on the way. And tune into this on foot. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.
Mom, look at your son. He can't go nowhere without that drum. Run from the police, yeah, he's so dumb. I see why no one fought with him. When Dribble died, I was tearing up. Feel like the world didn't give a fuck. Wondering why them boys shot at us. They had them straps, they wasn't tough. Nah, them straps wasn't tough, nah, for real. They killed my brother down in the field.